So let's start off by selecting a folder in which we're going to be placing our files. So I've created an empty folder, algorithms, in my system. And now in this folder, let's create another folder and let's call it recursion. And now in this recursion, let's create a JS file, string subsequence dot JS. Okay, now let's create the function to return all the subsequences present in the given word. So let's call this function get subsequence and we're gonna pass the word here. So first here we need to get the first character of the string, which we will call first. So let's take a constant here, const first, and this will be the first character of this word. So word dot cat at 0. And for the remaining string, we're going to call the same function recursively. So let's call get subsequence for the remaining word. So we're going to exclude the first character, that is the character present at index 0. So this is word dot substring starting from index 1. So we are calling get subsequence for the remaining string, and this will return us the subsequence for this remaining word. So all these subsequences present in rest will be separated by comma, right? So first we will split all the subsequences that are present that are separated by comma. So this will return us an array, and on this array we're going to invoke for each. Let's call this element subsequence. So for each subsequence that we're getting from rest, we're going to use all these subsequences to construct the result. So here inside this for each lambda, what we're going to do, you know that the final result is first character concatenated with all these substrings, right? Plus all the substrings. So result is result plus. So we again have to concatenate each subsequence with comma. So comma plus first, and we are concatenating this first with each subsequence that we are getting from rest. And then we are concatenating this result with again with comma and the subsequence itself. So this is how we will get the result, and now we will return this result, but we are having one extra comma at start. So we will return result dot substring, and we will exclude the first character. So we will start from index 1. So 1, just to remove this comma from the result. And this is the implementation. Now the base case is when we have the word that is input to this get subsequence is empty. So if word is empty, that is word equals to empty, then we will return the empty string. So here let's return empty string. Now let's format it a bit, and this is the implementation to this get subsequence function. Now it's time to test this get subsequence function. So let's call get subsequence and let's pass a word here. Let's pass ABC, and this will return the subsequences, all the subsequences for ABC, right? Now let's print these subsequences. Console.log, and here let's pass subsequences. So now let's run this program. Go to terminal. Here we are inside algorithms. We have to go into recursion. So recursion, and now we can run this program by saying node string subsequence. This is string subsequence dot JS. So this is the result. We're getting all the subsequences. We're getting ABC, we are getting BC, we're getting AC, C, AB, B, A, and the empty string. So all the subsequences are there in the output. This is how we can write a program to get all the subsequences, all the possible subsequences from a word.